Hello, my name is Yin. I'm a coach of Master International, and today I have a secret for you. You know, before let's start my presentation, I have a question for you. Do you want to speak fluent English now? Raise your hand, please. Good job. Big hand. Now I will talk about a person. He is father of effortless English system. Is really famous in the world. Can you guess? Exactly, he is AJ Hawk. He is author of effortless English. Learn to speak like a native speaker, and he is the director of effortless English, very famous in the world. And he has teaching for over 12 years in different countries in the world. And he has a master of teaching of foreign language. When he was teacher and he found a problem. Most of students, students can read very well, can read textbook very well, and can do exercise, past exercise really well. But the student cannot speak well. Why? And he decided to find solution. And he sure it's really difficult for students, but he said it's really common problem around the world. After many years, he has found the answer. Exactly, it's effortless English system. It helps students can speak fluent English, and students feel relaxed, strong, and confident when speak English. Effortless English system have 7 rules. Really important. I still remember 7 rules. 7 rules help me can speak fluent English, but maybe not good. But I can confident when I come here. I stand here and talk about my opinion and share you 7 rules. And I hope help you can speak fluent English. And now let's start. Rule number 1, set out. Learn phrases, not individual words. Rule number 2, don't study grammar. Rule number 3, learn by ears, not by eyes. Rule number 4, learn deeply. Rule number 5, point of view story or point of view mini story. Rule number 6, learn real English material. And the last one, really important, help you can speak quickly. Listen, and then answer mini story. Really important. And now let's start. Have you remember 7 rules, 7 scripts help you can speak fluent English. You can see my example. I like shopping. Why not I just like shopping? We learn phrases because when we learn phrases, you can imagine solution, imagine story, and you learn also grammar. It's easy, it's powerful, it's really important. And now I will ask you some question. I like shopping, and who like shopping? Exactly me. I like shopping. And what do I like? I like shopping. And when we learn phrases, you can answer and imagine story and learn more emotion, learn more information, and also learn grammar. And rule number 2, don't study grammar. Why we don't study grammar? Because I learned more 10 years grammar. More, but I cannot speak English well. It's reason why we not learn grammar. If you want, you can burn this book. You know, last year I bought a grammar book, and then when I finish my presentation, I will burn it. It's not help me can speak English well, and I think you can do it too. And because when you learn grammar, when you speak, you also focus about a grammar. Why it have past or future sentence, or future and past and sentence. Everything of grammar is make you speak slowly and not exactly. And rule number 3, learn by ears, not by eyes. It's the key. It's the key when you want to speak English. It's the most important thing. You must listen. Video or something you really like, and you must understand from 90% or more, 95%. It's you can learn. Let's start with video of children's, because children's video really fun, more than textbook. And now we are going to rule number 4, learn deeply. You know, when you learn at school, every week you have new lesson, have a lot of new words, and you must write down. And common number 1 English, and number 2 is Vietnamese, and you learn. And I believe that you cannot remember, or you can remember basic new words, but you cannot use it. Learn deeply says that you focus lesson and repeat, and you learn until you master English, master lesson you learned. And rule number 5, point of view, story or mini story. It's really important. I have thought that you not learn grammar, but when you learn point of view story, you can change. You just only change time or change the time or change point of view. For example, it's really easy and powerful. I like shopping or no. For example, I buy a pen. And you can change the time. In the past, I bought a pen, or in the future, I will buy a pen. Yes, exactly. And it helps you learn easy. It's more easy to learn grammar and help you to speak exactly sentence when you communicate with other people, right? And rule number 6, learn real English materials. It's really important. You learn easily. The first you learn easy lesson. You learn or you listen the audio easy. What you love, and have you fun, or maybe a video channel is fun. It's really fun. I often watching and listen channel lesson. on YouTube. It help me can have more emotion when I learn English, and when I listen, and I can listen one lesson for 1 week or 2 weeks, because I can listen the video. I can understand more 90%. And the last one, rule number 7: listen and answer mini story. Why we must listen and answer mini story? Because you know, in the school, the teacher only tells students that listen and answer, listen and repeat, listen and repeat. But now we learn by listen and answer, and you must think about English. But if you listen and repeat, you don't need understand, or you don't need think about English. When you learn by listen and answer mini story, you must think about English, and you can advance English, and you teach yourself must answer quickly, because the teacher always answer and more question, and you must answer, and then when you finish, you can speak fluently, and it helps you can speak quickly, automatically and clearly. And now I hope that you can speak quickly, clearly, automatically, and can speak with foreigners, not shy when you meet a foreign when they are come to Vietnam to visit, and you can confident and say hello, and ask more information from different country, foreigner when they are come to Vietnam. Thank you. Goodbye.